guess, you know.
Hey, okay, enjoy it, enjoy it. Where's the other? Where's the rest? Only one?
It's just him.
And he was the one that couldn't jump up on top for some reason. He
Yeah.
got stuck on the bottom all the time with all the junk. But look at the back of his neck. Somebody's pecking at him.
He's taking a bath.
Yeah. Hey.
Oi,
He's having the time of his life.
she won't stop.
Where's your decency? Where's your towel? I don't see no soap. How can you do that?
Who is it only one swimming?
I know.
I don't know. Which was the first one? The black one, I think, was the first one. He just dove in.
Okay, go ahead.
Couldn't
All
get
of
out.
you.
He's trying to get out. Then when he got out, he just flopped over. Big old tubby thing.
Go ahead. How about the rest?
Oh, the other yellow one tries to step on it, but it's
Okay.
too high.
Oh,
Oh.
he's trying.
Oh, you
Oh.
can do it. Now, if he wants in bad enough, he can get in there.
Yeah.
He's just picking the water and washing himself outside.
Yeah. They're wings.
Come on, come on.
Well, now I know why you don't hear, you eat chicken wings. You don't hear anybody talking
Oh, now
about
he's trying to get in.
He's trying.
Now, there we go. You got it, buddy. Goodness.
Oh, God.
How about the darker? Oh, so it's her turn. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You guys are hilarious. Did you videoing? Huh?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are right now.
Yeah.
Oh. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Come on.
She really want to get
That
in.
one wants to, yeah.
Oh,
There
see?
you go. Flap
Oh,
those
wait.
big wings.
I know.
Flap those big
That the
wings.
wings.
Yeah, you don't hear anybody saying, "Oh, we're gonna go eat duck wings tonight."
Hmm.
They're too little. They look like little angel wings. Back up.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Yeah. I know. Come on, little duckies.
Get all clean, yeah.
Washing himself.
They're washing.
And they're happy.
He's keep waddling.
Waddle, 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 waddle.
That's
Wait,
what they call it on
Waddle,
ducks.
waddle.
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 How comes they look
It fits
funny?
them up.
Waddle, waddle.
Look, oyster means waddle, waddle, waddle,
I've heard some
waddle.
people say, like some pregnant women, they get so big, they like a duck, they waddle near the end.
How about the dark one? The dark one are not interested. Get in, buddy. Get in. Mr. Blackie. Mr. Blackie. Get in, get in.
Look at his feet, too, how cool they are.
Yeah.
Like camo.
Oh, what else? Hey, Mr. Blackie.
He's eating grass.
He's eating grass.
Oh.
I don't know. The dark, they're not interested.
Yes, you're hinting.
Can't we just put the ducks here?
Huh?
For when their cage arrives? I don't know.
Oh,
Make it too hot.
oh, do right there.
Yeah.
Well, we can't.
We're into nice days for a long time.
Yeah.
Well, they're the happiest is right here, huh? Yeah, they want outside, and the little chicks got to get out. We got to take those four and put them in the pen and let the little ones get some sunshine.
I know. I think their cage we're gonna put it there for the ducks
Oh,
to separate them.
The dogs.
yeah.
We can't let them.
But no, we're not gonna let the dog. Oh, because they gonna be in their cage.
Well, the little chicks can't get out because every time they do,
I know.
Yeah,
Cookie and
white one.
Sparky go nuts, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's showering.
I don't know. The dark, they're not.
He's having the time of his life.
Yes, I think I like that.
Oh, they're
He
cleaning.
says, yippee.
Oh,
He says, happy birthday, Joy. We're
Oh,
celebrating
sweet.
your birthday.
The two black ones.